Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stream on Shein app. To know how to fix or how to solve stream on Shein app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Shein app. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then it will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.